Hello, this isn't really, well, I suppose it is a tutorial. It's just a sort of a little chat-in tutorial, really. I was just trying out some stuff this evening, just for fun. I don't know if my phone cancels out the background music, so I do apologise if you can hear washing machine and 80s channel, but that's how I work. It's not quite dark in here. It's what time is it? It's getting on for 9 o'clock, so it's not quite dark in here. So but what I'll try my best to make these glow. So basically, I just had a piece of card. This is just card. It's just scrap card. It's nothing special. It's not watercolor, or it's just a smooth bit of card I found in my craft box just to try this out. I used some distressed grit paste glow, which is new from Tim Holtz, which I got from Art from the Heart. I hope I said that right. Yeah, and what I did was I just used this very well loved stencil of mine, which is obviously Tim Holtz, Stampers Anonymous, and so I just put the paste through it with a little what did I use? Yes, there you go. I used one of these, and I just left it for a couple of minutes and then just gently pulled it away. And when I've used these, I pop them in a little bowl of soapy water. Now the funny thing is, I actually dropped this in with my stencil, so some of my stars got a bit smooshy, but I rescued it and dried it, and apart from a few little squished stars, actually it came out okay. But I don't like to waste things, so it's not perfect, but I kind of like it like that. So anyway, with my Distress Oxide inks, I did the middle in Fossilized Amber, and then I went out in a circular motion, did Wild Honey, and then a bit of carved pumpkin just to give it that lovely glow there. And then I did a little bit of Vintage Photo. That's actually distressed ink, that one, just around the edges, just to darken it down a little bit. And then to finish it off, I found in my little stash box some mica powder in a really lovely gold colour, which actually is a bit more, it's like gold, but it's quite coppery. It's a pretty colour, that. So I put a little bit on my finger and I just rubbed it in over the stars, so you can see the stars have a nice shiny golden effect. Now, will it glow under all this ink and mica? So we're going to give it a try. It's not very dark in here, so I've got my little special UV torch, which hopefully will help me show you the stars if they're there. So we shall see. Let's give it a try. Just move these bits out of the way. Right, okay. I'm going to turn my little craft light off. Yeah, there is a bit of a glow. Oh, look at that. There's a little bit of a glow, but as I say, it's not that dark in here, even though it looks dark on my phone. So, torch. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Right, I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds just to charge it up. Obviously, you can leave it out in the daylight. A lamplight probably do it, or daytime lamp. I'm just going to give that a going over. And if I turn that off, because it is not that dark in here. Oh, that's pretty. I could do this all night. Let's see that. There you go, just give that a bit of a charge up, and oh, that's pretty. So yes, it works. How lovely. Let's give that a really good charge up in the corner. Yes, isn't that good? So yes, it works under distressed ink, because that's the corner. That's still, if I do it over there, because that's got distressed ink on that bit. Yeah, it's still, yes. Ooh, that works really well as well. So yes, under distressed ink and distress oxide, it definitely works beautifully. Obviously I'll give it a try with darker colours because it might be more subtle, but definitely with lighter colours it definitely works. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a bit of a spur in the moment thing, so yeah, I should be doing a lot more of this week, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Bye bye and good night.